Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix Epic Games keeps crashing. Let's get started. First thing, make sure you close any background applications that are currently running, because that might be the reason you face the problem of crashing. And also make sure you're running the latest Windows version. But other than that, I'm gonna show you a method that can actually fix the problem. You can just go to the bottom left and open the start menu and search Epic Games Launcher. Click on Open File Location. Right click on Epic Games Launcher. Go to Open File Location again. Scroll down and right click on this and click on Properties. Then go to Compatibility. Click on Run this program as an administrator. Then click on Apply, then click on OK. And if you have noticed that problem is not fixed yet, you can again try clicking on Disable Full Screen Optimizations, then click on Run this program in compatibility mode. Once you've done this, click again on Apply and then OK. And this is how our problem should be fixed. If you have any questions, ask me in the comments. If you found this helpful, drop a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next video.